Hello everyone, welcome back again. Peace out to all the Northeast viewers, guys. Peace from Africa. So today we have another suggested reaction video by the title "Khasi Later," guys. This is like a Mizo version song. So the singers here we have MENDAL FT SMILEY, guys. I saw a lot of amazing comments and a lot of people really love this song, especially from Northeast people, Mizoram people, Kuki people, Mizoram, Kuki people, Naga people, like let's say just all the Northeast. And I'm also so curious to check it out, guys. So yeah, we're gonna check it and let's sing together, guys. In case if it is your first time here, don't forget subscribe to this channel. We do reaction to the Northeast people, guys. Without wasting time, let's go. Let's sing together, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna do my best. Ready? Start.
First later
I will only sing the part that I know.
Napuki pa nadi tu na hinpopi oh my later kamu ni ajang se kalung lai rila ite ringe.
Guys, tell me who is from Kuki and who is from Mizoram here. I'm confused. I know here, guys. Yeah, this is my favorite part because this is the only part I know here, guys.
Oh my later, ipito na biya, tuinan munzwa.
Let's go.
Ipun ipi amangay ziyatu bashilang nangayin sing nun amang ring chinti. Ipun ipi amangay ziyatu bashilang nangayin from dairya at sangya lang ti. Oh, ka first letter Thái coi về thực đi phiếm tu hương akan hết đi anh cất xoay về đồn ít tên lâu na sinh hương dòng hia kim đầu sinh lâu kia ông cần nín lâu xoay hoa đi môi nam ít sang là cái gió nát khờ cả thái coi bia thu đi muốn ta kinh chia la cái first letter kal tala kal lung dum tu plera bia thu vật lang la ipulong lom na anem ne lo lela my later.
I'm gonna write my letter for you.
Ka first letter ti lang kalung dei nu ko ma thiên tu ka lalta hung kilen hang jang phang lang napu ki pa na di thu na hin po
Okay guys, to be honest, like this is like my first time reacting to these singers, MENDAL and Smiley. Like this was just a suggested. I can't even differentiate like among these, the one who is wearing frame, guys, who is like, I just want you to tell me in the comment section, like, so that I can know the difference. I just came to know like those are good singers around Northeast there. They have also a lot of other amazing music, so I want to know them physically by differentiating with the frame. Who is that singer, the one wearing frame? And coming back to the music video, anyway, it was so amazing. Like the dancers, like, oh, they just like made the music video more interested. It was so amazing. And the singers, yeah, I can just believe from the comment section, like they are all best, amazing. They're good singers. It's my first time though reacting to them, but I see like Kafa's later is kind of cover Mizo version, so meaning that there is original song of this. But anyway, I don't know if there is a English subtitle one, because it seems like this song is amazing. So tell me briefly, what is this song like briefly describing about? And yeah, maybe we should check more song about MENDAL and Smiley in the next reaction video. You can also suggest the best song of them so that I can check it out, guys. Till now, peace out. We'll meet in another reaction video.